I wish I could get affiliate marketing to work. What is this?
This is how I used to try and get traffic.
We must protect the one link to rule them all.
It appears there are 1 million of people without their Megalink, and this is an urgent new broadcast. You must obtain the Megalink.
Do you have your Megalink, Earthling?
I wish I would have taken action and bought the Megalink. My life would be so different now.
Before Megalink, confused, broke, and using fruit as tech.
Megalink, Megalink.
When Nana starts flexing, 'cause she's earning with the Megalink.